Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Dyah Wafiasshofa Nurul Fadhilah. I'm studying accounting at Unisula Sultan Agung Islamic University Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. In this video, I'm going to talk about digital HR. I created this content in order to accomplish my English task. This is the final project of English subject in this semester. So I really hope that everything will run just well. Also, I'm expecting the best result through this project. The topic given by my English lecturer is related to digital HR. So before I'm telling you the points of my content in this video, let me briefly explain what digital HR is. HR itself is a term used for recruiting employees in companies, usually responsible for managing the people of an organization or company. For example, HR is expected to optimize HR planning, including how to recruit the right people for the company, as well as how to develop and use exciting human resource to support business growth. But then, by the emerging of digitalization, the term of digital HR is kind of getting popular among companies throughout the world. Digital HR means human resource is a business division tasked with finding, screening, recruiting, and training job applicants, and managing employee benefit programs. Concerning with digital HR, I'm specifically going to talk about company readiness to implement digital HR. Digital-based HR is the computerization of HR data, which is then used to organize HR management and governance. Digital-based HR can help organize data so that company administration becomes neither easier to find and present correct and precise data. In addition, digital HR is able to maintain company secrets, especially regarding important company data. It takes careful preparation to step into implementing the digital technology, especially with a lot of HR administrative data and processes. Preparation is vital. The following is a readiness checklist that needs to be considered by the company, HR team, and owner. Number one, readiness of human resource. HR is always related to the company's HR, so HR also need to be prepared in advance so that they can operate digital-based HR from a dedicated team or special team to handle IT problems to make it easier. Equip employees with IT knowledge so that employees become aware and accustomed to operating IT. Number two, setting up the technology infrastructure. The owner or HR team needs to think about what infrastructure to use, one of which is server selection. There are two kinds of servers to choose from, namely self-owned or cold servers. Both have advantage and disadvantage of each. Privately owned or on-premise servers allow companies to customize servers as needed, but companies need to have more knowledge about using these servers. While cold servers have flexibility in terms of resources, cold servers do not have specification limits, so companies can increase throughput, memory, and processors as they wish. However, with a cold servers, it means that the company fully ensures the security and confidentiality of data to the cold provider, so data confidentiality is not guaranteed. Number three, determination of system requirements. In addition to the servers, there is also a need for planning for the applicable system. For example, how is the process of recruiting new employees? How is the relationship between employees? Absenteeism employee leave and employee salaries. What is the company policy towards employees who are not disciplined? Careful system planning will make a digital HR into an integrated system. And then number 4, configure HR system with company work process. Executives need to analyze company policies and workflow processes that they want to be integrated through the HR system. In this case, it is very good if the workflow process is made specifically so that the HR system that will be built later really fit the needs of the company. This requires good coordination between the HR team and the executive or owner to have the same perspective on the HR system implemented later. Number 5, prepare data for system integration. To assist you in forming an integrated system, it is necessary to prepare complete data. Record data such as employees' personal data, information regarding the amount of compensation and salary of each employees, and employees attendance, calculating data to support your company's performance that you want to be integrated throughout the system. I agree with the digital HR transformation. It is very effective and efficient, making it easier for people to find jobs according to their respective HR. Then here it can be easily proven that there is digital. There is no need to register for or apply directly, which is not necessarily accepted. It's not just the ease and speed of accessibility. The digitization of HR also make companies cut unnecessary budget and time on the HR department. HR time and work becomes more efficient without taking time and even struggling with paper. News that I listen or watch internet in here. In conclusion, every decision taken by the company to implement digital HR must have been carefully considered by. I personally agree if a company's conclusion is implementing digital HR. That is my argument about digital HR. Thank you for watching till end. If you have the counter argument, you may leave it in the comment section below. So see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.